Are you tired of accidentally activating Google Assistant on your Pixel 7 when trying to turn it off? Well, in this video, I am going to show you the updated method on how to power off your Google Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro. On the older Pixel model, just pressing the power key will give you the power off and restart options, but on the newer models, when you press it, it activates the Google Assistant. So I will show you how to turn it off. You need to hold the power and volume up plus keys together. Now hold the power plus volume up and now you are getting the power off option. You can also ask Google Assistant to power up. Just press and hold the power key and just ask Google Assistant to power off my phone and it will give you the turn off option. Now you can also drag down the quick settings menu and at the bottom tap on the power button and power off your phone. Now it is shutting down. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.